Hi everyone, I S Fiza doing MSc Agronomy second year in Faculty of Agriculture, Annamalai University, and I am a Tamil Nadu ISA member. On behalf of Tamil Nadu ISA, I am here to tell you Elevate 2021, which is an event organized by our ISA. ISA proudly announces Elevate 2021, a thought for transformation, celebrating the 10 years of glory for successful involvement in agriculture and allied sectors. And let me tell you what are the events under Elevate 2021, and I will tell you what are the eligibility criteria and objective of those events. Before that, I will tell you about ISA. ISA is All India Agriculture Student Association, a society which is for the students and former students having degree in agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, agribusiness, veterinary, dairy science and etc. So these disciplines comes under ISA. Let me tell you about the event Elevate 2021, which is mainly focused on the stream of Atmanirbhar Bharat and doubling farmers' income in an environmentally sustainable way. And now I will tell you the exciting events under Elevate 2021. And the name Elevate signifies elevating the agricultural communities in rural areas. Now let me tell you the exciting events under Elevate 2021. In the first one, Smart Village, national level video making competition. The theme of the competition is Smart Village for Smart India. And the objective of this event is to enhance and to develop the doubling farmers' income as step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. The eligibility of this competition is as students or young professionals of below 35 years, and entry may be individual or group of 2 to 5 members. And the second competition is on Focus, the national level photography contest. The theme of the competition is My Farmer, My Pride. Women in agriculture, innovation in agriculture, agricultural biodiversity and microclimate. So these are the themes for this photography contest. And objective of this photography contest is a click for a change. And the eligibility criteria will be you should be a student of agriculture and allied disciplines. Entry will be individuals only. And the third one is Ignite, Young Scientist Hunt.
The thrust areas are farmers' prosperity, clean environment, food and nutritional security, climate smart agriculture, IoT and ICT. An objective is to provide platform for agriculture and allied students to present their research outcomes. And the eligibility criteria is research scholars below 35 years from agriculture and allied disciplines. Entry may be individual or group, and each group may include one advisor from their respective faculty. And the fourth one is Agri Journalist, national level agriculture journalist hunt. It focuses on cooperative groups, progressive farmers, NGOs, self-help groups, farmers and producer organizations. An objective of this event is to bring out the skills of agriculture and allied sector students of interview skills. And the eligibility of this event is you should be a student of agriculture and allied sectors. Entry will be individual or group of 2 to 3 members. And the fifth one is Empower, Young Agribusiness Entrepreneur Hunt. And Objective of this event is to hunt innovative young agribusiness entrepreneurs engaged in agriculture and allied sectors. And the eligibility criteria of this event is you should be a young agribusiness entrepreneur below 40 years. A step-wise participation procedure is given in the brochure, and I will give you the brochure in this, and you can see what are the step-wise procedure to participate in all the events in this ISA 2021 Elevate events. You all should participate in these events and show your skills. And one thing I have to share is Tamil Nadu ISA members who are willing to participate in these events, no need to pay your registration fee, because Tamil Nadu Cabinet Committee will pay registration fee for Tamil Nadu ISA members. And students all should participate in all these events and show your talents. All the very best. Thank you.